So, for today's video, tetestingin natin ang brand new product, brand new release, brand new launch ng Issy & Co. or Issy & Company. Ang tawag dito ay Active Skin Tint. SPF 35, UVB, UVA, non-comedogenic. Ibig sabihin, hindi daw siya nakaka-clog ng pores. So, eto yung box niya. Super simple lang. Tapos, andito lahat ng information. This breathable and lightweight formula gives a sheer hint of color for a natural, healthy glow. With broad-spectrum UVA, UVB, SPF 35 sunscreen, it provides ideal protection from the sun's harmful and damaging rays. So, pwede mo daw gamitan to ng flat kabuki brush or your fingertips or your beauty sponge. Cruelty-free. So, this is vegan, gluten-free, preservative-safe, and dermatologist tested. Made with active ingredients to match an active lifestyle. I really don't get ano yung active ingredients na yon. It's an oil-free tinted moisturizer with niacinamide. Okay, so meron siyang pang-moisturize talaga dahil. So, ito yung mismong packaging. And yung shade na kinuha ko is Vanilla. Bakit may ganon yung vanilla? So, I got the shade vanilla kasi ang hirap tingnan, ang hirap i-match yung shade mo dun sa photos lang. So, kinuha ko na yung pinaka-light. Kasi dahil, mas madaling i-darken yung light foundation kesa sa gawing light yung dark foundation. So, when in doubt, choose the lighter one, okay? O, wala nang chika-chika. Gamitin na natin. This is 35 ml by the way. Huh? May nalaglag ba? Or kailangan taktakin ko siya. Ayun, okay. So, pag walang lumalabas, guys, itaktak nyo. Ayun. Okay. When in doubt, choose the light one, So, try natin gamitan ng flat kabuki brush. I have a clean flat kabuki brush. Kita niyo ba yung difference? Para siya nag-brighten up lang ng very, very slight. On this side, try naman natin beauty sponge. And sa noo, I'm going to use my fingers. So, first layer, hayaan ko muna mag-set and then let's try if we can like build it up to another layer. Kung nag-set na siya, let's go for the second layer. So, eto na yung with second layer, you guys. And in fairness, nagkaroon naman siya ng parang naramdaman ko naman, nagkaroon ng second layer. Hindi naman siya nag-melt away or nag-blend lang dun sa first layer. Kahit pa paano, nagkaroon ng very, very slight coverage. Parang talaga siyang tinted moisturizer. Not so much as a BB cream or a CC cream, but just a moisturizer na nakaka-brighten. And I'm so sorry kung medyo naglalaro yung ilaw natin kasi yung araw, lumalabas, nagtatago, lumalabas, nagtatago. So, to make this more fun, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then let's see by the end of the day.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise.
blush, gagamit na rin ako ng Issy & Co. Ito yung kanilang cream blush in the shade Good Girl. Not really my favorite, pero dahil Issy & Co tayo ngayon, let's go for it. Ang importante lang is kailangan talaga i-warm up mo yung product before applying it on your cheeks. Then for highlighter, gagamitin ko na rin yung kanilang highlighter slim stick. Now for the lips, yung lip product nila na meron ako. Actually, meron pa akong isa pero hindi ko na mahanap. Yung kanilang lip mousse, I have that. Meron akong isa nun pero I can't find it. So, dito na lang ako with the lipstick pen in the shade Cardinal. Ooh, I'm going to contour my lips para bongga tayo, dai.
You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything.
In fairness, maganda naman siyang gamitin as an alternative to using foundation, heavy foundation, and all that. So, let me tell you the pros and the cons for me. So, the pro is, okay to para dun sa mga hindi masyadong ma-full coverage. Okay to para dun sa mga walang masyadong mga blemishes at gusto mo lang pantayin yung skin tone mo and you just want a like sun protection, not so heavy makeup, alam mo yun? Okay ito para dun sa mga gusto ng light makeup lang talaga. And I love that it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's alam mo yun, gluten-free, and daming free-free. Tama nga na it's like a skincare and makeup. Ang hindi lang mabenta sa akin, guys, is yung sinasabi nilang active ingredients to match your active lifestyle. That's a gimmick for me. Kasi kahit anong gawin mo, kahit nga yung mga full coverage, yung mga medium coverage foundation, kapag ka, alam mo yun, pinawisan ka, dumaan ka sa hulasan challenge, mababawasan, pababawasan yun. So, expect mo na kapag ka dumaan ka sa hulasan challenge, napawisan ka, nainitan ka, nag-swimming ka, whatsoever, mawawala yung itechua. So, alam mo yun, eme lang sa akin yung active ingredient siya nila na yan. Now, personally, do I like the product? Yes, I do like it. I just don't like the price because it's $4.99. Ngayon, kung ako papipiliin, ito ba or si BLK? I'm sorry in love talaga ako dun sa illuminating. Dun sa illuminating hindi ko na-try yung original formula nung pero kung yung Bello sunscreen, tinted sunscreen o ito, ayoko talaga yung Bello dye. Ito na lang. Oo, kahit mas mahal to ng 100 yata or something. Dito ka na lang kaysa dun sa Bello. Di ko talaga type yun. Is it worth it for $4.99? Nakukulangan kasi ako sa coverage niya, dai. Siguro worth it na kung iisipin mo na it's makeup and skincare and then sunscreen pa in one. Yeah, and then, ano pa to? 35 ml. So, pretty good amount of product. Pero, I will not repurchase it personally. I would probably repurchase the BLK. Kasi mas may coverage yung BLK. For me, personally, okay? So, ikaw na mag-decide dun sa lahat ng mga sinabi ko kung mabebetan mo itechua or hindi. So, antayin natin mamaya. Ako ay mag-aerobic. Oo, merong pa Zumba ang aking mother-in-law. So, tingnan natin kung mahuhulas ba siya or something. Hey there, guys! So, it is already the next day. I am so sorry. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog yesterday because after filming, naging super-duper busy na. Pero, itutuloy ko yung wear test. Today, I am wearing again. Ayan. Suot ko ulit siya. 2 layers ulit. Then yung blush ko, yung Issy & Co ulit. Pero itong tint ko is from Everbelena, yung roller lip and cheek tint nila. And then for mascara, Fashion 21. For my eyebrows, Maybelline eyebrow pencil. So yeah, ito siya. Freshly applied. Again, hindi niya ma-cover yung mga blemishes mo. Pero I'm curious ano yung sinasabi nilang active ingredient to match your active lifestyle. Yeah, gusto mo yun, tatamad akong i-google. My God, guys. Kakapalit lang namin ng diaper na nag-poopy siya. Tapos wala pang 5 minutes, nag-poopy ulit. Agkat na naman tayo. Ito lang yung tsura ko. I've been wearing it for probably 6 hours na. So, ang dami ka nang ginawa and everything. And this is what it looks like. Honestly, parang wala na siya. Yeah. But I still look okay. That's the point. I look okay. Pero like, wala na yung, parang normal na skin ko na siya. But the good thing is, kahit pa paano, I still look decent. Alam mo yun? Pero, it's just like my skin na. Oo, so, basically guys, it's good for pang everyday. Alam mo yun, para magmukha ka lang decent looking, but not so much as a makeup. So, ituring mo to as a sunblock, sunscreen na nag-even out lang na skin tone mo, but not on the coverage. And I don't think if yung trabaho mo is nasa labas, lakaran and everything, I don't think this would last. Kasi tinan mo ako, dito lang ako sa bahay. Although mainit dito, alam mo yun, and I've been running around with my baby. So paano pa kaya kung nasa labasan yung trabaho mo? Kung yung trabaho mo na sa office ka or sa bahay ka lang, alam mo yun, okay naman yung ventilation and everything, hindi ka papawisan, I think this is good for you. Pero hindi ito yung para pag sales lady ka, pag nasa bangko ka, na kailangan parang plakado makeup, or kapag ka, yun nga, lakaran yung work mo or yung lifestyle mo. Or if you're serving customers, kasi wala nga siyang coverage. So if you're trying to cover up your acne, your scars, this is not the base for you. But anyway, overall, okay siya. I like it for my lifestyle. Pero again, I will not repurchase it. Pero kasi for the price na $4.99, parang mas gusto ko pang either bumili ng, alam mo yun, mas may coverage na foundation or yung BLK ones. I love those. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.